Well. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is no, I was going to say November. That's how quick this year is going by for me. December 15th. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, YouTube world, wherever you're tuning in from. I'm jacked on the juice to trade today. Your boy's been excited over the weekend because I know that this week's going to be a great week for us in the markets. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just ready to trade. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you ever feel that way. Like you're just like excited. But I've been excited and here we are. So I'm not going to be complaining. People. Let's get all these streams running and gunning. So we can have a good day. Good, awesome. We got some awesome sauce today. We'll take it. Hopefully all you guys had a good weekend. You use it to prepare for this week. That's what I do on my weekends. I just use it to prepare, to mentally get dialed in, ready to trade. But that's me. You don't have to do what I do, but it does help people. It honestly does help. Yeah, I'm not just saying that to say it. It does help. All right, let me post. We got 8 minutes. 8 minutes for market open here. So you know what that means. We're just going to stay calm and collected. And we're going to execute when market opens today. I will be waiting the first 15 minutes because you want to know what I learned about trading? There is no rush. If you can take anything away from these daily streams, take away learning to have patience. Because it will literally save you and help you at the end of the day. Good morning.
Right on.
I heard someone sneak on in here. I'm like, oh, someone's in here.
Who is it? Who's on the screen?
It's the NQ King in the chat. He's live on the Zoom as well. We're going to take it. Good morning, gentlemen.
Right on.
Just so you guys know, I'm jacked on the juice right now, so be careful. I'm going to be a wild man today. It's Monday. And I have a saying, the way you start Monday will dictate how your week goes. So I'm going all in today, full port.
Do it up, baby.
You guys had a good weekend?
Oh, yeah. You saw.
Oh, yeah. Those pictures were stunning.
Lakefront party, baby.
Can't beat that.
Like
Can't beat that.
Fire and just chilling and cooking.
No, that's awesome. No, that's like really cool. We got Mr. Carmona in here today.
Carmona, or Mr. 3G, as I call him.
Mr. 3G. That'll be his new nickname. 3G. So we got G, but now we'll have a 3G. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. 3G could almost be G Trey, but I wouldn't go there.
I saw what you did there, Steve. I saw what you did.
Honestly, that was so I didn't know exactly how I did that, but man,
We'll do it again.
I got lucky. I would say luck played a role.
Yeah.
Even though I was paying attention to what you guys were saying and the flow of the chart, but I opened up like the basic entry and I wasn't even seeing what the ask number was, bid number, last number. I was just buying bids and closing them.
But you were clearly seeing that the stuff was pushing up.
Yeah, I was going off of what you guys were saying.
Yeah.
So that's what helped me.
Yeah, so
playing with this Ninja Trader, trying to figure out every little detail about it, so I can feel more comfortable. But I feel like now I feel a little more comfortable.
Okay. No, but hey, a 3G whoopsies is a nice 3G. It don't matter. It's 3Gs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, 3 stacks in your lap will make you pretty comfortable in a one trade. You know what I'm saying?
For sure did.
Well, before we start diving in, Jose, question for you. Did you think, because you've been around me for a very long time, you've seen me posting on my personal Facebook, everything like that. Did you think it was all hype on Facebook?
Well, I was thinking about that. No. When you posted about going to that trip in Boston and you said day trading, that was really the first time that I personally took it a little more serious.
Yeah.
Because like the other thing is like, so somebody goes with a real estate agent and looks at a house and is like, this 18-year-old is like living in the house. There's no proof of that. Or some guy sitting next to a car. So I always felt that was the fake stuff. When you said that you were going, I was like, I know you as a person. And so, I mean, if you're saying it, there's integrity in that. So I was going to listen. So I never felt you were a scammer because I knew you personally. You know what I mean? So that's what, and you could tell I've been here since day one, man.
You have. But for you, what really made it like, okay, this is real, is me doing that little video going to Boston and trading.
Well, yeah, but it wasn't that you went to Boston. That was the first time that I saw it. It showed on my feed, and it was like, okay, he's doing it, and he's doing something tangible with it. So like, if you're saying, hey, I'm going to surprise you with free trips to Boston, that's not what I mean. I'm saying it just wait until summertime.
Yeah.
No, but on a serious note, like when you were doing that proved to me, like, if I'm going to learn this, I'd rather learn it. I called you a different name back then, but I'm not going to say that.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you.
Our new covenant that you said that you put me in VIP. So it took me a minute, but Duane, because I called you something different, I'm like, okay, if he's doing it, I'm going to learn from him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I've learned a lot from his father and his mother, but I mean, it's like I trust you. So if I was going to go anywhere with anybody, it'd be you.
I appreciate that.
For sure.
I appreciate that. Because Jose, what made you want to finally actually check it out? You know what I'm saying? Because I know you watch the stories on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? What was it that made you be like, okay, let me actually look at this?
Yeah, he's pulling. What's going on at 928, baby?
No clue. Just getting ready for the market. Trying to get Jose an answer if he wants to, if he can. I know he's working, possibly.
No, I'm not working today.
Okay.
I got PTO all week.
Oh, nice. But what made you want to actually be like, okay, let me try this? You know what I'm saying? Was it I posted too many stories? What was it?
Yeah, you influenced me, man, because I've been always thinking about, man, I want to be able to work anywhere and everywhere, and I just don't have anybody that I can really take their word for it. But once I saw that you were on it and you had a system that worked, I said, man, I do want to go in with this, but I got to clear up everything and make sure that I am dialed in 100% because, I'm not only dabbling with the prop firm, but I got, I'm trying to live like you, man.
I understand that one. Well, thank you for you guys trusting me on this. You know what I'm saying? Because I know for myself, when I was looking at it, trying to learn how to trade, I just didn't want to go learn from anybody because, like Steve was saying, there's a lot of scammers out there.
Well, that, and it's just like you want to learn from somebody with integrity that's not trying to just, take a portion of your money or come up with a weird system. We have 15 seconds to market open, gentlemen.
Thank you, Steve. 15 minutes. Good morning, Woody. Hopefully you're staying warm down there in Tennessee. Well, up there in Tennessee. You're above me.
Down there in Tennessee.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Today, we're going to make some money. I hope you enjoy the ride. This is going to be a nice little roller coaster, but we're going to put our hands up for the entire ride today. Want to see if we come on down, because I just, this over the weekend, I'm like, man, we're so close to this 25,000. Do we come down and break it? Because we have not been in the 24,000 since like end of November. And the lower and lower we go, the closer we get to possibly coming all the way down.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G. Good morning.
G and then 3G.
Yeah, we got G and 3G on the stream today. And we're going to make some monies. I will be waiting the first 15 minutes because, believe it or not, I had great success with it last week. So when you find something that works, you just got to keep on doing it.
For sure. Hey, Duane, did it ask you guys to update to the 326?
It did on mine.
It did not ask me yet, only because I never turn off this computer and never log out.
Yeah, so like G was saying, it showed the first time in the dialogue, 326. You want to switch over, but I just ignored it.
Yeah, we'll probably roll over possibly into this week. We just gotta watch the volume currently, and once the volume starts dying down, on this one we'll roll over then.
Jimmy P.
I went back to it, so I just went back to the regular one.
Okay. Yeah, we're all on the regular one right now.
What's going on, Steve?
Hey, what's happening?
Chilling.
Did everyone have a good weekend?
Yes.
Amazing. Good morning, Moose. You snuck in here, sir. Good morning.
Morning. He's having fun.
Good morning.
Just so you guys know, got some, well, how do I put it? I think it's good. We cracked over, we're getting ready to push through 11,000 views for the past 48 hours on the YouTube streams and channel. Getting ready to break 88,000 views for the past 28 days. So clearly what we're doing is working. People are enjoying. And thank you for all the support from you, Legacy, because without you guys, I wouldn't be doing this live. Just saying.
Man, you're somebody that, like, when you were involved in this, it made sense. You know what I mean? Because it's like, I knew that if you had a way with it, you had a real system, and that just comes from like your integrity. I'm not just saying that either.
No, like I said, I truly appreciate you guys trusting in me. You know what I'm saying? Because for me personally, you guys know who I am. Off the charts, real life, everything like that. And some of you in the Legacy. And it's one of those things for me. I was always searching. I was always looking for something that I could do that I didn't need an employee, customer, something that just relied on myself. Because being a business owner, it's a headache sometimes. It's a headache. Good morning, Mr. Nelson. Where are you located now? I knew you were over close to Colorado, but where are you at now, brother? All right, we're starting to come on down here.
Come on.
But who knows? It's only coming up on just over 4 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Nebraska. Keep on trucking, brother. Keep on trucking. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you. For real. Good morning. Good morning, Izzy, aka Aslam. All the way from Cali. Welcome.
Cali.
Today we're patiently waiting. Look at this waterfall here, though. We're waterfalling. Look at the wrinkle bars doing what they do. We're coming on down here, but we got below that pivot, and I'm not liking that. Hold on. Oh, uh-oh. Let's see here. No, I was looking because my pivot on Ninja is completely different than my pivot. Maybe it's close.
Hey, when are you gonna put those things in the vault? That training from
I'm glad you just asked that, Steve. Well, I was working on posting them on Friday, but then I realized we had to do another training probably today or tomorrow's, just like we did, because I recorded only on the Zoom and the playback was horrible.
Okay, that's cool.
I mean, you couldn't even like see this. The screen was completely blurry.
Okay, yeah, no, I mean, I was gonna go to kind of review it.
Yeah.
And I was like,
but if you guys want, we could do it. I'm good with shooting it all over again tomorrow. But I'll actually record it as well on my computer, so it's not just coming from the Zoom cloud, because it was trash. It was trash, to be real.
What I'll do is, like, since I know it, I won't have to be asking much questions, so probably.
But no, we'll still ask the questions, but we'll hold all the questions for the end.
Do you want me to do like a southern accent, like, what in Sam Hill is that thing right there? I don't understand that.
Steve, you can do whatever you want, sir. You can do whatever you want. All right, we're back up above that pivot point.
Well, Moose is looking at a retracement.
Good morning, everybody on the YouTube stream. If you're new here, put in the chat new so we can welcome you. We're just patiently waiting for 9:45 so we can make some money a day. Do not trade the first 15 minutes.
Boy, y'all see that 5 minutes? Well, that's going to be a big bear flag.
Listen, that bear flag I was calling out and preaching about on Friday paid on Friday. So let's get a good flag today. That's all I'm saying. I need a good flag today.
That 5 minute?
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5 minute right now.
Do you have any sparkling water before you trade, Duane? I don't want you to get parched.
Steve, I'm glad you asked. We always popping bottles up in here. What time is it? 9:37. We popping bottles, boys. And ladies in the stream, welcome.
Ladies, there's ladies. This is the 80s. I'm just kidding.
Okay, Aslam. That's awesome. Hopefully you guys just lock in and learn this, dude. Just like Hustle Quality, you know, all you guys are over the road right now. This will definitely help you guys, being real. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're just going to vibe up like we've been doing. And this week, your boy may be kind of wild for those Trader Hangouts tonight in the evenings. Your boy may go 7 days straight. We may do 7 days.
And that's just drinking sparkling water, so watch out.
Yeah, that's just with the sparkling water.
And you need to get back to the eye when there's an actual show so you could, like, be a part of it.
That I do. We had a nice little, I want to say bear flag, but it didn't have enough structure for my liking. Print on that 2 minute, but it is what it is. Look at that big old wick showing all that selling pressure right there.
Oh yeah.
I got 6 more minutes that I could get into this market, but man, we're coming down to the VWAP. Here comes the VWAP tap. Did we tap it? We did not tap it. Almost tapped the VWAP. VWAP's right there at like the 301 area. 301 area for the VWAP. Oh, there we go. Through the VWAP. So you already know. Once we get below this VWAP, what are we going to be looking for first?
Wow.
Our first pattern. Looking for a bear flag, people. That doesn't mean you're not going to see bull flags or anything like that. I'm just saying when you're below the VWAP, the first pattern you want to look for is a bear flag. If you see a bull flag with momentum, go ahead and take it, because the flags always pay and the flags always repeat themselves. So down here, I want to see us build out a bear flag. Yeah, hopefully it takes about 5 minutes to build some structure. So then I can jump in on it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
well, I know you didn't like that previous bear flag, but it, was seeing it in tan, and that'd be number 2 right now.
yeah. All right. Quality sound. The YouTube stream quality sound crispy, so we're good. We're good. But yeah, just want to see another flag. If it takes 6 minutes, I'll be happy. So I'm ready to hit the gym today. Chest and tries today. And come the new year, or right before the new year here, I'm gonna be adding to the community like another tab for working out. You know what I'm saying? So not only will we have the discussion for our trading victories, losses, everything like that, we're going to have another one just for fitness, so we can get dialed in for 2026, boys.
No, you know what? It's good because that's another area where you need to have discipline, so they feed off each other.
Yep.
Oh,
What was that?
Was that Moose?
That was me.
Jesus.
I thought somebody had an orgasm.
that was not me.
Jesus, congratulations.
Sounded like somebody was squeezing them.
Yeah, the market squeezing them. That's what that was.
That's funny.
Millionaire, you were not new. That's why I did not even respond to that.
Y'all funny. Y'all funny as hell.
You sure heard you.
We.
You sure heard yourselves. Oh. All right, I'm just waiting. We're waiting.
Same here.
I need coffee.
Why do you need coffee when you got G in the chat? You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't need coffee with G in the chat.
I gotta make sure I stay away for the stay awake for the ooh.
Just hold. I need these bulls to hold the price just right where it's at. Just right where it's at. That's all I need. Right where it's at.
Every second is.
Oh, and I actually need to switch over to my funded account. I'm over here.
Oh my God.
Quick.
Oh. Trying to be set.
So, okay, yeah. There we go. All right. Just had to switch to the funded account because during our training on Friday, I switched to just a sim account. So I wasn't losing money while teaching. That'd been crazy.
Hey man, this is costing me more than it cost you, sucker.
That bear flag starting to print
Yes,
on that 2 minute there.
2 minute. Yep. I was looking at that, Dwayne.
Hey, so Duane, I'm gonna do a prime rib for Christmas, and I'm gonna do it on the smoker.
Ooh, nice.
That's really slow and low, man. Like 200-degree max, just cooking in that savory flavor.
No, that sounds amazing.
I'm gonna make the crust on the outside, the whole shebang.
All right, so we're below that VWAP. Ooh, Nelly. Oh, come on. Come on, Bulls. Hold the price, please. Please. I got to honor my 15-minute rule here.
So you can set up.
Ah.
You want the Bulls to push it up, right?
I just want the Bulls to hold it. I need them to hold it right now. My Canadian brother, Brett. Welcome, sir. Welcome. That's how I greet Brett, by the way, people. Yes, he's currently up in Canada. That's where he lives. And he's my Canadian brother. It is what it is. Accept it. Come on, Bulls. Hold this price. We do have these bottom wicks on these candles as well, though. But I want to see the momentum to the downside here for this bear flag to actually pay us. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Come on. Come on, Bessie. Hold that price. Hold that price. Hold that price. All right, there's 945. So I am officially cleared. I want to get to 946 so that full range is fully completed. I need the bulls to hold this price up before we drop because your boy want to make some money. Come on, bulls. That's right. Keep that price right at that VWAP. Good. I like that. I needs that. But I feel like, ooh, come on.
Oh!
7:30 right there. First trade of the day. First trade that not trying to get home runs. Not trying to get home runs. Base hits. 7:30 first trade of the day. We'll take that. I closed it. You know what I'm saying? We were getting ready to drop out of the 15-minute range there. But what happens on that first initial drop? We always retest.
Can you give me the low of that 15-minute range?
The low of the 15-minute range right there is at 263. 263.
Thank you.
263.25. So,
Awesome.
put some money in that funding account.
I knew it as soon as it dropped out in that general area. I wasn't sure exactly. That's why I closed 2 in the green. I got a good scene.
Let me rotate to the next account here so I can make sure I lock in that profit. All right, and now we wait. Hey, for who could wait 15 minutes to make 7:30? I know I can.
Duane, it's 9:45. 7:30 is more than 15 minutes.
Oh, my bad. You right. No, the amount I made was 7:30. But who can wait 15 minutes to make 7:30?
We're gonna make 15 minutes to make a grand. That's at 10 o'clock. Sucker.
Tomorrow we got a lot of news coming out. Lots of news coming out tomorrow morning. So we got a lot of news dropping before market open. And then at 9:45, we will also have news as well. Let's see if we build another bear flag because the market always repeats itself, people. We don't have to think about it. We don't have to guess. It always repeats itself. So for the bear flag, what has to happen first? We got to go up slightly before we come down.
Yes, we know.
And we're sitting down here below the VWAP, close to the low of this 15-minute range. Let's see if we get momentum to take us lower. If not, we'll prepare and take a long when we see a bull flag. And that's it. We still got these strong wicks on these candles here on the top, so that's showing selling pressure. Let's see if the bears try pushing this price lower.
That 5-minute candle's got a heck of a wick on the bottom, though.
That does have that strong wick there. Good call out, Steve. We have the close from Friday, 202.50. 202.50, the close from Friday.
Thank you for that.
Yes, sir. Honestly, for me personally, I just want to stay below this VWAP. If we stay below the VWAP, then I'm really just going to hyper focus on looking for that bear flag and waiting for it. Because VWAP is currently at 300.25. 300.25. And if your numbers aren't matching up with mine, that's because you rolled over.
I have a question for you. What is the closing or 223.50. Is that because that's showing up on my chart?
223.
Yeah.
On mine, that's just close to that. Close from Friday. I don't have a 223.
All right, I was just wondering.
Or a 203. Yeah, I have nothing for the 223. Let's see here. What do we got?
And
This
keep
one.
in mind, like where we are right now, we're close enough where we could ping back to that. Get the
The 223 on Ninja is saying that was the current open.
Okay, that's cool.
That's looking like a bear flag right there, but we're going to see what happens. I'm going to wait till we get through the yellow line with momentum. Oh, we're coming down to that yellow line. But I'm like, do I take or do I wait till we get out of this 15-minute range here? All right, we did not have follow through. We did not have follow through yet.
No, it's like a little mini consolidation, and then it jumped back up.
Come on, Betsy. Come on.
Come on.
Patiently waiting here. We're all waiting for the move. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're waiting for this move. Coming. All right. We're still at this yellow line. All right. We just broke out of the 15-minute range there.
That's it. Coming back in. You'll notice when Duane holds the left side of his jaw, there's something in the works.
No, we cleared that previous wick. So now we have to come on down to that close. We're going to work our way down. Slightly mad that I did not take that trade when I was looking at it, but it's okay. It's okay. And not actually mad, just like disappointed I didn't trust myself. You know what I'm saying? Because I looked at that previous wick. I'm like, don't want to take it and then get a pullback. BP, good morning, sir. Good morning. Are you up or are you down? Because I know you're a wild man. You be crushing it, dude. Only taking one trade so far for the day. It was a nice little trade, quick 730. And now we're just waiting. Looks like we're going to build out another bear flag. So let's just see how this plays out. I hear something going off downstairs. Let me go see what that is because nothing should be going off right now. Literally 2 seconds. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Stay safe.
We're waiting for that 5-minute candle to close, man.
How you doing? How you doing, Steve? You jumped in on one of those trades?
Oh yeah, I'm green in 2 accounts.
Okay.
Damn straight. Come on, Bessie. It's like right there.
All right.
There he is.
I'm back. Oh, the market didn't do anything, so nothing crazy at least.
1 minute is kind of teasing it.
Got the 1 minute. That's a bear flag on the one. Alrighty. How's everyone feeling? For everybody, chat, legacy, how's everyone doing? Is everyone up, down, all around? How we doing today so far?
I'm up in 2 account.
We'll take it.
Minutes to a new 4-hour candle.
And that 4 minutes will put us right at 10 o'clock.
10
so
o'clock.
More minutes, 10 o'clock.
alrighty. Well, there's that 223 level, Steve. On Ninja, that was saying that was the current open. Ask him. I feel that one, dude. I feel that one. Just stay if you stay consistent with this, you'll get it and you'll be successful with it. You're going to have days when it's up, you're going to have days when you're down, but if you lock into the strategy and you have discipline, you will succeed at trading. Because I'm not a special dude. Well, I am a special dude, but
yeah,
the only difference, I started before some of you guys. Like BP, he started before me. He's been doing this for like 8 years. You know what I'm saying? So I can't look at where I'm starting at. I just gotta start. You feel me? And that's it. Can't compare yourself to other people, because at the end of the day, you're the person that dictates your life. So
I always compare my hair to yours. No, I'm just
well, that's not much of a comparison, sir.
I know.
My barber messed up my hair over the weekend.
Oh,
As you can see, I'm bald.
God. Oh my God, that blend.
maybe.
Yeah, he did a great blend over the weekend. Not sure if you guys can see that blend that he gave me. You know what I'm saying?
Well, he could bring the trimmers back over and retrace it.
So we are coming down here, but it's not like moving. You know what I'm saying?
Well, we got the 2 minute that's resting on there. That could be a nice flag.
Yeah, looking at these 1 minutes right here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bear flags print. Looking at the 1 minute. Then on the 2 minute, we had 1, 2, 3 bear flags. So doesn't matter what time frame you're looking at, the flags, they're there. We just gotta trust them with the momentum to take them.
Right. And it's
Like right here,
10
this is
o'clock
looking
now.
like it's trying to do another bear flag.
And it's 10 o'clock, baby.
Good call out. Thank you, Steve. All right, we just hit the close from Friday. We had a target right below that close sitting there at 18950, 18950.
And we also got to get to the whole number.
Yeah, we got that whole number. So a lot in this small little area. So let's get below that 200 level. And then we're going to try to execute another trade here. There's no rush, people. No rush.
Okay, where's the next? Okay, there's like a trend line at 171.
All right, so we just pushed through that first target I had. The next target is going to be down close to 116 for the next target. Want to stay below that 200 level. Probably want to get below that 182 since that's the current low, just so that way we're not as close to that whole number. Because those whole numbers, man, they will get you chopped up.
I was just laughing. Like, I want to stay under the 200 level, and it goes bleep 200, 200.50, and then it goes back out. It's like, stop it.
Back up. Ooh, push.
Look at that 1 minute though, building a flag there. So.
Yeah, I don't like these wicks. I do not like these wicks currently on these candles.
Yeah, there's a lot of
showing some buying pressure. All we can do is patiently wait. And while we're patiently waiting,
I'm looking at the 15-minute, and it's like already there's a big wick on the bottom.
Yeah, we're sitting right up here above this 200 level. Maybe we build another bear flag, but...
Well, the 1 minute is showing just that. The 2 minutes trying to start.
Oh. Trying to doodle here for y'all, but...
He's doing an elastic doodle. It's a I see what you're doing there. You're putting it on the bottom of the wick to give you extra insurance, so you don't.
Yes, sir. So if you're not too confident about something, right? Like if you see a flag and you want to make sure it's a solid trade, just move the line a little bit lower. Like if it's for a bear flag, put it just a little bit lower, so it has to go a little bit further for you to get in. You know. Tapping that yellow line. We got the first target. Okay, there we go. We just tapped that first target again.
No, I'm at the grip.
Come up to all right, clear that previous wick. Now I'll be looking. Want to go with the momentum here. But we got to have the follow through. That's what I'm looking at right now on the Renko bars. I want to see the follow through with the momentum. Right now, we do not have the follow through yet. Close that one. Quick 170. I could have stayed in it, but we're getting too many of the up and down wicks on the Renko bars right there. So I feel like the bulls are trying to push us slightly up. So I did not want to stay in.
Yeah, I've been looking at those. I think you're right.
Let's rotate to the next account. And this is what we do. We just make some money and we rotate. Remember, green is green at the end of the day. Doesn't matter if it's $1 or a couple $1,000. As long as you're green.
Well, 3G says that it's got to be 3G, so.
I'm hurting over here. Ain't nothing green over here.
Well, don't just be clicking and click.
Yeah.
Listen, that is when you first start trading, you just want to click the button. But the hardest part is not clicking the button.
That's it, man. You know what I mean? It's just like
another thing is this touchpad, man. I gotta give me a mouse.
Okay.
Give me a mouse.
Yeah, definitely, man. Because you want to have some gimmick that's like screwing you out of trades.
Well, definitely glad I closed out of that trade.
Yes.
Because I saw the Renko bars, right? I saw how they were moving. And when you're seeing the wicks on the Renko bars, like we just did a training on Friday about it, but when I see too many wicks on the bottom of the Renko bar, that's showing that the buyers are trying to step in. Same on the regular candlestick. If you see a wick on the bottom, that means buyers are trying to step in. So why are you going short if you see buyers are stepping in? So as soon as I saw buyers starting to step in, I'm like, I gotta get out of this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not risking it for the biscuit. It's Monday. It is Monday. I'm not risking it. Not today. Not today, people. Because only up today so far, $900, but we got plenty of time. Like, that's why I'm happy about myself right now, because over the weekend, I told myself, we're not rushing. We are no longer rushing into trades. We're going to take our time, because whenever I had the ultimate patience with this, that's when I make the most money. So you got to figure out what works for you and what's worked for you in the past. If you haven't been seeing the numbers that you want to see lately, you got to see what you were doing and go back to it. So for me, when I saw my best trading, I was waiting that first 15 minutes. I wasn't even trading an eval in that first 15. You know what I'm saying? And then after the 15, then I would trade my fundeds. And then after the fundeds were done, I would then trade eval. But just getting back to the system and just sticking to it, not switching up, because I got big plans for 2026.
Hey, listen, not to interrupt, but me, I haven't talked to 3G personally, so I'm not excluding him. But me and Big G have plans. We agreed. 2026.
2026. Like, we're going to crush it.
Quiet, but he's, you know, and then Moose is probably fighting crime, but 2026.
No, I'm just here. I'm just tired.
I went to bed early for me. I went to bed like at 1 a.m. last night. So I'm feeling like energized.
That's early? I went to sleep at 1 a.m. and I'm exhausted. I'm so tired.
Well, I normally go to bed like around like 2:30.
Listen, you psycho.
And then wake up around like 7:30, because that's when the kids are getting up for school. My girl's getting all the kids ready to get out of the house. So I wake up so I can good morning to everybody, you know what I'm saying? They hate it too, because I'm overly excited in the mornings. And they're like, dude, calm it down. Like, calm it down. We were on our iPad all night last night without you guys knowing. Calm it down. Like one of those. Gotta love it. I'm not trusting that right there. Because to me personally, if we come down, I'm all for it, right? I'm all for it. But let me look at the 2 minute here. The 2 minute looks better than that 1 minute. Because on this 1 minute, this was looking more like a bull flag right there. With some structure. But we got selling pressure right now, so hey, we're just waiting. We're just waiting to see. But to me, that looks more like a bull flag than a bear flag. We could try to argue this as the pull of the flag and then that push up, but
well, like, you know, I mean, I could see both, but it seems like it's trying to come down, but it could just be consolidation station.
Yep. Listen, if we want to keep coming down, I'm all for it. I'll take me a waterfall. But I just want to see a little bit more. Look at this 5 minute, maybe a bear flag right here. Definitely a bear flag on the 5 minute. But I want to clear this wick over here on that 5, just to like really make it like, okay, we are coming down, because when we got down here, we rejected and we pushed up. So
yeah, because that one wick is like the lowest it went on the pull. So
let's see what we get. I'm all for it, people. Second target, like I said, to the low side here, all the way down there at 116 even. 116 even. All right, that 5-minute bear flag. Not mad about it. Buyer's trying to step in. Okay, we want to break this 25,000 a day. Your boy's not complaining. We'll take a nice little waterfall.
You see those bottom wicks, right?
I do see the bottom wicks. That's why I haven't just gone short yet.
Yeah, I know, man. I wanted to short, but I'm paying attention. I'm looking at the.
Gee, I'm glad you're exercising restraint, sir. I'm proud of you.
Big G, did you hear when I was telling about us like making a covenant on 2026 being
I
our
heard
bitch?
you. Oh yeah, I heard
Well, you know, with all due respect, you could say yes.
Yes, yes, sucker. Yes, sucker.
And I would like bring Moose in, but I think he's sleeping.
I'm right here.
Yeah, I can tell, but just barely.
Just barely.
Yeah, really tired.
Oh my goodness! Don't start sending that out.
Going right back up.
Let's see. We did not get above that first target.
That 5 minute looking like a perfect bear flag. Woo.
But I don't like the wicks. I do not like the wicks.
The bottom wicks on it. That's why.
Like the bears, the bulls just need to give up and just let the price go. You know what I'm saying? If they let the price go, I'll take the short. But we're going to see. We're going to see.
We did just take a London lows pretty recently.
Ooh, BP. Welcome, sir.
Welcome.
What's up, guys?
You snuck in here. I didn't see you jump on the Zoom.
Yeah, I think my entry price was like 360 or something.
Oh, shit.
He's crushing it, people. If anyone needs to borrow $1, get with BP.
Let me hold some.
Y'all are funny.
No, seriously, I have a GoFundMe, you guys. No, it's a joke.
Duane, you funny, man.
Man, you gotta keep it light. You know what I'm saying? Like trading isn't supposed to be all serious.
Hey,
Yo,
guys.
that's not what I heard.
Hey guys, look at the 2 minute and the 5 minute. Tell me what y'all see.
Yeah, I see a bear flag trying to print, but
Come on, Benson.
we need more momentum.
Yeah,
I don't like the wicks.
That buoyancy, my God.
Nah, man, them bottom wicks saying, boy, they trying to go up.
Patience, people. BP, what time did you start trading today? Because if you went short all the way up at 360.
Yeah, I woke up at like, I think like 8, or I woke up
Okay.
at like 7:50, at least my time.
Oh, uh-oh. Market may be trying to do something here. But we keep getting those bottom wicks. Like, that's the only reason why I'm not jumping in yet.
Yeah, it's that immediate retracement, to quote Moose. But today I'd be like, ugh. That's to quote Moose today.
Absolutely.
Moose sounds like one of those mumble rappers today. It's just like this.
the bear flag.
Yeah, but we gotta get rid of these wicks.
What do we do with them?
Toss them, do something. Just want to get rid of them. What's crazy is we are coming down to the second target, but I'll probably just wait till we cross through this low, that 132, and then wait to see how we react, because I'm not going to chase it today. I'm not going to chase it.
After the 132, where's our next target?
Oh, let me jump on that screen.
132 should be Asia lows. And
yeah.
Your ultimate low from Friday, which is at like 118.
I have 118.75 from Friday for that low, but I have a target down there at 115. So once we get through 132, I'll probably take it short down to that 115. But I'm just waiting. Just waiting. I gotta drive. I think I'm gonna do it probably on Wednesday of this week, or actually I'll probably do it like closer to the weekend. But my girl and the kids they go to Boston this week. I go up next week, because I gotta drive. I gotta get my new card, my new metal card made. It's gonna be all gold, saying Legacy Wealth Society on it, and it's gonna be my credit card. So.
Do they make like a skin for your card or something?
No, it's going towards, I want to say past Lakeland. It's like 2 hours away. There's this mall where this dude, he makes custom metal credit and debit cards.
But how does he encode them, man? That guy's got all this stuff.
Well, everything's based on the chip. So he has a patent to remove your chip from your current card and put it on this metal card. And they engrave the card.
So I could finally have my preferred name, Big Baller 9000, as opposed to Steve McKenzie on my card.
You could if you wanted to.
Just teasing. Boy, it's a tough crowd today.
This is Steve's stand-up, by the way. This is how he practices for the comedy club.
Hey, you should give it a try.
Would you look at that? We're going.
One of these days, maybe yes. I got shit to say.
Come on. We're trying to come on down. Let's see. Let's see here.
Down.
Just when you get through this 132 here. Want to hit that? Okay, we did tap it, but we're going to probably stair step here. So we're going to tap, bounce up, and go down. Come on, Betsy. Patience is a virtue, people. Yo, I'm so proud of myself because I've been itchy. I've been like ready and just like click, 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 click. But we're not doing that. We're not doing that. BP's in the chat, so I can't. You know what I'm saying? I'm competing with him these days.
BP's like already done for the day, just like looking at us going, come on, dude.
That's why he just did that laugh too, Steve. That's why he just laughed that way. He's like, these old guys, they don't know what they're doing.
I've definitely missed out on quite a bit because I got out at 293.
Hey, profit's profit, baby.
I got
profit's profit.
So I was like, what's good?
You know, profit's profit. So he came down on tap, instantly pushed up there. Almost tapped Friday's close of that, well, not close, low, 118.75. Are we going to build a bear flag on the 5?
Well, look at the 2 minutes. Like it's full of flags, but they're just not like momentum. Come on.
Or is this going to be the retracement, Moose? Is this the retracement, sir?
It might be.
Oh,
The 15-minute closes.
on the 15, there's a huge wick on the bottom of it. My God. You see that, Duane?
Oh, yeah.
Even a 30.
I'll even show it right there. Got that big old wick right there.
The 30 has got it. The 60's got it.
I gotta get ready to order an Uber. Not for myself. And G, I didn't hit you because you're in the markets making money. I didn't want you having to get off the charts.
Oh, somebody go to the airport?
Yeah, my mother-in-law and her friend.
Oh, okay.
Man, I'm kind of surprised that my model actually worked out, even though there was like zero proper market structure right there.
I mean, I couldn't call. Let me see my
No, we're good, dude, because I'm just gonna order it
Okay.
here in a couple minutes.
All right.
Appreciate that though.
Do a comfort ride. You probably might make them ride in the Tesla. You probably might pick up my boy.
Let me do that now while the market is acting like it wants to do something, but not doing it yet.
That's an understatement of the year.
I gotta go buy some boots tomorrow. Man, I'm gonna be busy this week.
What are you, like a cowboy or something? What the hell is going on? Are you going to like Texas? Need some cowboy boots?
No, I need some boots. I'm gonna be in the snow next week.
Duane's going urban cowboy.
Now I'm ready for the vlog of me coming down a mountain on a snowboard. You guys are gonna laugh. I'm probably gonna wipe out, not gonna lie. But we'll see. You never know. You never know.
Helmet cam for the win.
Well, I got my Action Pro 5 camera, so you guys will be able to see it. You will see. Whatever happens, you'll be there for it.
You know, yeah, you go into the snow and taking a video of it is all I need. I don't need to be in the snow. So thank you for your sacrifice, sir.
You're welcome. The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you guys.
There we go.
If I want to be cold,
All right.
I'll just walk into the Costco freezer. Not that I'd have to get a membership first, but
Alrighty, so we just fell off right there.
well, now we're at the whole number, the 100. What's next? Oh, great one.
I want to say we're going to crack 25,000 a day. I've been feeling that way all weekend.
The 4-hour and the 1 day are finally making new lows past each other.
Just had another 120 bucks. I'm up 1,000 for the day. So 1,000. I live by this motto: $1,000 a day keeps the bills away.
100% agree.
So as it sits right now, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? $1,000. If I see something, I'll take it. But $1,000, solid. And since I just did that, let's just rotate to another account. I actually sized down as well. Only trading 2 contracts right now, not my normal 4. We got a pivot point coming up all the way down there at, where's that? 968.75, 24,968.75. We got our third target right below us, literally right below us, 25,042.50. If you're wondering how I'm calling out these targets, you can get it yourself on TradingView. It's the orb and breakout targets with Lux Algo. Completely free, gentlemen. Completely free. I'm not a mastermind. I'm not like, oh, these levels. No. The computer's telling me. I'm just telling you.
When you do that other training, you get into that a little bit more.
Okay.
If there's a specific thing.
Yeah. Tonight, traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to be wild this week. I'm actually thinking about streaming every single night this week for the hangout. Only because it's been growing the community, growing the channel so quickly. Might as well keep doing what's working, right? So, we will see. We will see. We need less than 300 more views just for today, and that'll put us over 11,000 views. We'll take it. We will take it, people. Patiently waiting. My mother-in-law and her friend walked outside. They're so funny. They are so funny. Okay, the guy's here. Man, he got here quick. He got here in like 2 minutes.
Wait, which car they got in?
They're in a Toyota Camry.
Okay.
Heading over to MCO. Hopefully they get out today. Lots of delays on flights. So I'm like, next week when I'm flying, I'm like, hopefully my flights don't get delayed. Luckily it's a straight shot, but still. Waiting to see if I get like one more opportunity here to take another trade. Switch over to a different funded account here. So up, locked in for the day so far, $1,000. All right, we're still making more lows. I like this type of action, somewhat. I would like some more speed, but we'll take it. This is fine enough.
Duane, since they're starting to defer people over to the other thing, or stealing volume from this one, right? Because I mean, there are certain people that are just going to default over the 326.
Well, looking at the current volume, looking at the current market for the rollover. Yeah, we have plenty of bear flags over there as well.
I just want, it's kind of like they're splitting stuff up. It's like Ross Perot. It's like a extra fucking thing that's draining boats off.
Yeah. Well, we'll know when we need to roll over when we have less volume on this one. That's my alarm to make sure I got my mother-in-law an Uber. I already did, so we're good. And they're already picked up and gone. So.
Did you give her a big hug and thank her for coming?
I did not, because I'm gonna see her next week. For over like a week, so. She knows I'm streaming, so.
No, mother-in-law.
Look at that wick. Woof. Maybe I feel like we may go back and retest that second target around the 116 was that second target for today.
Probably coming up to retest.
I was feeling that too, BP. BP told me to go long. Boys, do I go long? Do I go long?
Hey,
No.
for real, BP? Say go long.
Not yet.
Hold on.
Don't go long yet.
What's up? Let me know.
I felt the same way BP felt, that we're going to go up and retest.
A whole number at least.
So what I would be looking for, since we're going to possibly go up and retest, well, can't even talk about it now. We're going up and retest as I speak. So let me just shut up. Well, BP, I guess we were right. I guess we were pretty close to being completely right there. So.
Duane wants the EMA next. He wants a rocket ship.
I would like to build out a bull flag. That's just me. I want my flag. But it feels good knowing that I saw something that a master of the markets. Yes, I hype BP up all the freaking time. It's okay.
Gee, man,
He be laughing. BP laughs at me because I be hyping him. He's been doing this for 8 years, people. So if I saw something that he saw,
He's been doing it for
I'm good with my
28
life.
years.
I'm good.
He's been doing 28 years BP in the
Oh
house.
my.
He used to be trading with paper in a stock market ticker, sucker.
No, crazy BP. Over the weekend, I met a dude. He's actually in the community now. He's currently trading 48 funded accounts.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, 48 funded accounts.
Yo, TP, where do you live? Thomas,
Oh, what's up?
where do you live? Whatever.
In Texas.
Oh, you live in Texas.
Texas,
Yeah.
baby. You know what I'm saying? Everything big in Texas.
Are you in Austin?
Outside.
Oh, nice.
Moose, you're getting way too personal. The feds be watching these streams looking for BP.
He's in,
So you can't be
he's in
talking
Austin,
about his
Texas,
location.
Yep.
Austin, Texas, Japan.
My goodness. I
No,
love
it's funny.
Texas, but I hate driving I-10. Like going from California to here on I-10 is a living hell. Just straight line for.
We had a bull flag right there on this 1 minute. I want to see a bull flag on a higher time frame.
That's all what you always think.
So I could have taken that, but
a really strong retest, I guess, because of the fact that we took all this liquidity, and the only, I guess, swing point that you have left in this move down would be all the way up at like 174.
yeah, BP, we were right on. Looks like a retest getting ready to happen, and bam, smacked us in the face with the retest. So
I need to take my pre-workout. I need to wake
Alexa, turn on Blender.
Alexa, tell Moose he's gonna do great at his workout.
Listen, yesterday I almost dropped the weight on my head.
Jesus.
Yeah, mind you, I was going pretty light. I was pushing 85s, and all of a sudden I just got weak. Like I just got tired. Like, oh shit! You know, you have that last rep, and damn near killed myself.
I remember when I dropped a 45-pound weight on my foot, bro.
Oh.
Right on my toe.
Listen, when I was in high school, you know, you're in high school, you want to show off, right?
Of course.
I couldn't do 225. But I
Oh,
figured
God.
everybody in my team, all the linemen, were doing 225. And I thought I was the hot shit, right? Listen, so I tell somebody, hey, spot me, watch this. He spots me. Listen, my arms just bent. Boom! I literally bounced the weight off my chest and I pressed it. But I had a fucking huge bruise on my chest.
That's crazy.
Yikes.
Yeah, literally, boom, all on your chest. Oh shit! Never again.
Dre Dollar, what's up, Dre? Dre said, "What's up, LWS family?
What's up?
We're all making money, dude.
Good.
The family's making money. Gotta love it. Gotta love it." Brett, you still good? You up today? Or are you down today, sir? Gotta check on my Canadian brother. I love saying Canadian brother. I don't know what about gets me, but I just like saying that. What can I say? I have a younger brother over there outside of Austin, Texas. You know what I'm saying? Another younger brother up in Tennessee. A brother up in Detroit. Another one in Canada. A sister over in the Netherlands. We're all over the place, people. It's craziness. It's craziness. Like we're literally, I know Legacy fam, we're creating like a mafia here. You know what I'm saying? The Legacy Wealth Society mafia. We're just stone cold killers in the market. And that's it. On that 5 minute, that's looking like a little bear flag. Okay. Look at that nice momentum on the Renko bars there. Let's see if we get some more. On the 2 minute, that one's almost like an A+ setup right there. If I was looking at the 2 minute, at that, but we gotta keep coming down. We gotta keep coming down. Let's get below the yellow line. Well, Brett, even though you're not trading, I appreciate you hanging out with us. Tomorrow, directly after the stream, we're going to be doing another training on Trade-Evade in the Renko bars. Directly after the stream tomorrow, we'll be doing a live training session, because Friday we did it as well, but when I recorded it, it only recorded on Zoom, and the playback was horrible. The quality was horrible.
Yeah, like compressed the hell out of it.
Yeah, it was bad. It was all pixelated. You can't really see the charts weren't clean. You know what I'm saying? And I don't like that. So we're doing it again. We're doing it again. So
yeah, I'll take it. On the 1 minute, it was starting to fiddle with the EMA.
We were fiddling.
On the 1 minute.
Yeah, we got different looking patterns right now. So we did have that strong wick right there, because on the 1 minute I was looking for a bull flag, because we had this pull right here, but then I didn't like how far we came down. So just waiting. I'm in one long-term swing trade. Dre's an animal. Dre, do you, dude? Do you? Whatever works for you, just do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, enjoy the copy trading. Like, I could have copy traded and had a really, really solid day if I copy traded my first trade for the day. But in the grand scheme of things, I like limiting my risk. I'd rather just rotate my accounts and just lock in profits each and every day on each account, and not potentially go and draw down in all of them on a trade at the same time.
That's a good safety tip.
But maybe sometime next year I'll start copy trading a little bit more. But right now, rotating the accounts for me, it's been working, so I'm sticking to it. Woody with 3K on the day. Yo, the community just loves 3K, huh? Straight craziness. No, I feel you, dude. I got a lot of accounts as well. And I just rotate. Want to get below this line. Faith over hate, you just joined. Let me go add you. Yes, we're trading. Well, I'm trading futures live with you guys. A lot of people on the stream, they're trading futures as well. Trading the Nasdaq right now. It's like putting lightning in a bottle. That's why I love it. We're wild people over here. Faith over, hey, I just refreshed the community. I did not see you jump in there. Just let me know the first 2 letters of your name so I can get you added once you're in there. No, well, I'm not trying to inspire you guys to trade multiple accounts, but it's like, you gotta understand, like, for me, I own multiple businesses, and to scale each business, it takes a lot of time and effort to do that. Where with trading, to scale your trading business, all you have to do is get another account, or all you have to do is up your contract size. That's all you have to do is scale up in trading. Either get more accounts or up your contract size. And that's it. You don't have to ask anybody, you don't have to talk to anybody, you don't even have to go out into the market trying to find someone to pay you. You get to click a button and do it. Just saying. Just saying. All right, so we did not come down to that yellow line right there. We're hanging out right on our second target. We're sitting right above our second target here. Remember, when we hit these targets for these breakout or the orb with targets, the way I process the targets, right? They're going to act as support or resistance. So whenever we get close to them, you got to realize that. Just like the pivot points, they act as a magnet, but those are either going to be a support or resistance zone. So we keep that in mind. So we just wait. We got to wait. Right now in the 2-minute, looking like a glorious bull flag. And we got the wick on the bottom of that one as well. We got the pull coming up, the push down. I'm expecting it to go up. We got 21 EMA above us. 21 EMA at the 149.
Okay, good. I'm at 149 too, so it's not being that good.
Dre, don't get comfortable, dude. Just keep doing what you're doing. You've been crushing it, man. Don't change how you're trading.
One contract is good, man. That's what I did today.
Yeah.
How about you did?
He did one contract and he made $80,000 today, people.
Stop it.
Wild. No, I had one contract at 360 and I got out for like 67 points.
Yeah, more than enough. More than enough, people.
Like, what, 3 something, right?
No, I made like 1,500.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
All right, so we're above the 21 EMA. Bull flag's paying right now. Bull flag's paying. Want to see us come down just slightly? Yeah, I'm gonna probably jump in here.
I guess it was more than that, actually. 1 second.
Yeah, you're not giving yourself enough credit, brother.
Oh, that's the wrong account. What account?
It was 76 points. I'm dyslexic as hell.
Well, you're on the right stream because I can't talk most of the day, so we're good. We're good.
He's been drinking that sparkling water again, I tell you.
Yeah, this makes me feel bad. I was low-key looking at this, and I was like, this is a B setup and not an A setup, so I don't feel like saying anything. But it swept that liquidity and is just going up.
Yeah. That retest we talked about. And we're just moving. Right back up to almost to the close from Friday.
I thought close of Friday was the 118.
No, close from Friday was 202.50. The low from Friday was 118.
Yeah.
How do I set stop loss and take profit on Rhythmic? Are you using Rhythmic to actually trade? You gotta be using like a Ninja Trader or Tradeovate for that. So you have to set up your ATM strategy. So if you're on like Ninja Trader, I'll come over here to the ATM strategy. You would click custom, and then you put in your parameters that you want. How many ticks for your stop loss and take profit.
And remember that there's 4 ticks in a point. So if you're trying to do 10 points, it would be 40 ticks.
Thank you, Thomas. The community just works together. We're helping everybody.
Math is mathing today.
The math is mathing. Big ballers. No, we're trying to get like you, dude. We're trying to get like you. We're trying to be happy because all Canadians are happy. That's what they say. So.
We took some liquidity here at 191. If 235 acts as a protected high, this could be a good short. But
Thomas is saying it's short. If you're going short, be careful.
yeah, be careful.
This is not financial advice. We're literally random people on the internet that met each other and we're now talking. Like, it is what it is.
Yeah, I'd risk somewhere between like 200 and 500 on the trade because that's me. So I'm like comfortable with losing that on my probability.
Yeah.
Just be conscious of what you're willing to lose.
100%. I may have to drop mine down like him. Like I'm good risking at least a G a day per account.
Well, with him speaking and this music in the background, it sounds like a 1980s like movie trailer. Comfortable with what you want to lose. Max Pop 2. The Awakening.
I feel like we're getting ready to build another bull flag. Take us up to that VWAP.
Hey, Steve,
Yo.
look at that box.
Yeah, the box is speaking. I'm not trading right now, but I did see it, so.
What it's doing now, right?
Faith, you definitely can. Woody, great job on your 3K today, sir. Good job. Proud of you. Proud of you. Woody's a new trader as well. Just crushed 3K a day. Make sure you put it in the discussion in the community, sir, so we can all celebrate with you. Faith, you can make tons of money with prop firms. That's what majority of all of us do. It's less risk at the end of the day. So you're not risking all your own capital to make money from the market. So it's just a solid way to trade and not have to worry as much about if you do take a losing day. Doesn't hit the pockets the same. Faith, did you get into the community yet? Because I have not seen your information pop up yet. I want to make sure you get in, you get access to everything.
Look, I gotta have faith in this too. So where are we going?
Like I said, I feel like we're gonna go play with that VWAP. I saw a bull flag printing on this 2-minute, and sure enough, looks like we're getting ready to start pushing. We're sitting right above the first target for the day. Sitting right above the first target for the day below the 15-minute range. So wants to clear this area. We got that 202 right there above us as well for that 200 level. So once we get through that 200, I'll probably take the long up to the VWAP. because that's a VWAP sitting at 240.75, 240.75. So just waiting. Not rushing it. I'm not even gonna lie. Today's stream has gone by so quick. I don't know if it's because I'm jacked on the juice. I don't know if it's because BP's in here or Steve, you're in here. I don't know if it's because Legacy's in here with me tonight today.
I want to know what BP's like initials stand for. You know what I'm saying?
What do you mean?
Well, he said BP, but they also called you Thomas, so I'm confused.
I do not call him by his government. I call him BP. You know what I'm saying?
Is that your rap name? Is that like your hip hop name?
No. It's an old gamer tag I used to use.
It is his hip hop name. I knew it. I'm gonna.
You're funny, man.
Oh, Steve will have you laughing all day. So.
No, I appreciate
and what the best thing with him, right? BP about Steve, like if he says something and people don't react to it, he'll go even harder at that point.
He's like, they're gonna laugh.
His alter ego. Yeah, I want to see the Bulls push here. I want to see the push. Because if we push, I'm jumping in.
Well, not no more.
For full confirmation on that short, I was thinking we need to get back under like 144 as confirmation. So like this would be risk entry area, but like that's confirmation.
Copy. Well, from your lips to God's ears.
And I did toggle over to 326 just a look, and it's kind of mirroring this. So I think that they're starting to split the stream. You know what I mean? You got like some people that's bleeding off over there with the volatility.
Yeah. Well, BP may get ready to go short.
No, I'm done for the day. I would have my entry price. I would have been sticking it out at that 191 if I was in this.
Okay.
Ooh, you got what's for the mid right now? That's like almost a 45, 50 point.
Gee, you gotta remember it's base hits, baby. Base hits. Yeah.
So this would have been like for first entry, but then there's always that confirmation or second entry, which would be the retest at like 175. But kind of have to wait for price action to rebalance again. Sometimes you don't get the rebalance. Sometimes it's just full on flood, but sometimes you do.
Bitcoin is tanking. Dre's letting us know right now. Bitcoin is tanking.
Right now, it's trying to grab some bullish liquidity. We just got to see if it's going to keep pushing.
Because if Bitcoin's coming on down, you know, you may have to get some more. Because when Bitcoin comes, everything else starts coming down as well for the cryptocurrencies. That may be a good time.
I saw that meme coin like Bitcoin Raider or something. They're trying to make it. I don't know. It's kind of popped up.
Look at that 2 minutes. There's like another bear flag to perform.
Hey, if we get the bear flag, let's waterfall, baby. That's it.
Looking right at it.
I'm down in my Robinhood account, $16. I guess I can't get Chipotle today because I lost 16 bucks on Robinhood right now.
Let everybody know I lost enough money that I'm just sitting back and reviewing my charts while I'm taking in what's being said on this Zoom call.
So, question: we've all been there. First off, so the feelings that you are currently feeling, we all understand those feelings. First off,
man, and it's just like you're it's like, you know, you got to realize it's like weight training. If you hit like day one and you're feeling great, and then you come in and you're all sore and bonked out, you know, it's like you gotta just put in the work and you'll get it and you'll be in it, and you're still 3G as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, you'll forever hold that 3G title. Question for you, right? because it didn't go the way you wanted to today, this is going to be good for everybody here. What do you feel was the cause that it didn't go your way today? Were you, and you don't have to answer, but do you feel like you were over trading? Were you?
Definitely, I was over clicking.
And one thing you'll hear, you make money for not taking trades. Because the more you're clicking, the more you're in the markets, you're going to lose. Less is more when it comes to trading. Yeah, BP, how many trades did you take today?
1.
BP took 1 trade. I've taken 3 trades for the day. And everyone else, they have their own little, how many times they traded.
Don't lump me in that, everyone else.
Okay, Steve, how many trades did you take today?
4, but I'm between 3 accounts.
No, 100%. You know what I'm saying? But, like, less is more when it comes to trading. Woody, appreciate you, dude.
Duane says it's like you go in and you rob a bank, you don't like hang out and then ask for more money or ask for a candy bar. You leave.
Nope. You got to dip. When you hit your lick, you get in and you get out. And that's it. That's it.
Yeah,
like listen, when I first started trading,
20 trades already, and I overdid it for sure.
Yeah, 20 trade. Yeah. Listen, if you look at any of my bad trading days, right? On the trading journal, you only have to look at one stat. You don't have to see the red. Like the red's there on those days. But you see how many trades I took? Because I am trading a lot of accounts and I'm rotating as well. But it'd be crazy. It'll be like 20, 30 trades. There's no reason why I should be taking 30 trades.
Unless you're working out your mouse hand.
Like no reason. So don't feel bad. I know it feels like a quick little gut punch, right? Because listen, we all feel it. We've all been there. We also experience it from time to time when we have a bad day. Just know all you can do is go up. Literally, all you can do is go up. Because you've already seen the success from what trading can do on your very first day in the market.
And that's God's gift right there, man.
You know, and now you can see what happens when you don't follow your rules. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say trading is the best thing anyone can do, because you learn so much about yourself while learning how to trade. You learn to see if you have discipline. You learn if you have greed, like a greed factor in your life. You learn all these things, but once you can master it, or not even master it, once you put the time in to become better in each area, you're going to see your life in other areas start to flourish and get better. Trading affects your entire life because of the discipline you have to do this. Like for me personally, it's 11 o'clock. I'm not going to take any more trades today.
Hey, wait, it's 45 seconds until 11 o'clock, and I was just about to warn it. So don't jump the gun, John Turkey.
But long story short, Jose, you're in the right place. You're doing the right thing. Listen, I've only been trading consistently for a year now. A year. BP, he's been doing this for 8 years, right?
BP has been on it like I was 8 years old the first time that motherfucker showed up. No.
So what you have to realize is everyone has to start at the beginning. There are no shortcuts to this.
I'm not going 4 months in.
That's why with the community, that's the hack, right? Because I've been doing this. I put the strategy together within a year. So BP, he's been doing this for 8 years.
9
but
years.
All of us coming together in the community,
on every time. It's so funny.
That's what gets us going.
Yep. 127 years, man.
I'm a mute, Steve. Hold on, people. I'm trying to talk. And he's trying to talk over me. Don't go to the VIP room.
Wow, it's all quiet in here. Wow.
But you're in the right place. You got solid traders around you. And we're all coming together to help everyone win. You know what I'm saying? So when you come into the markets tomorrow, what I recommend, Jose, just trade on the sim account on Ninja. Don't even trade an eval tomorrow. Just trade on the sim account. Let's get you feeling good in that one because it's the same movement. Everything's the same since you have the live data feed. And once you feel like, okay, you're consistently making 100, 200, or 3K a day if you're being a wild man. But if you're consistently winning, then you switch over to the eval. That's the way. Right now we got this beautiful, like a A++ setup coming up on this 2-minute. Look at that bear flag.
Heck, you should take a picture of that for training.
I've been looking for my medication for like 2 hours.
Oh no.
He lost his crazy pills. Yeah. Watch out, people.
That's why I was like, yo, did I take it and leave it at Dolly's house? It was in the bag of the towels that I forgot.
Oh my goodness.
Let me mute him. He's talking in someone else's house. We don't even know what prescriptions he's taking.
Like, I got my kratom. I'm just kidding.
Woody, what firm did you hit your profit target with? And do they have the 1-day pass? That's what you gotta look at. You have to make sure they have a 1-day pass.
You don't want to be like consistent. Are we gonna break that line, Duane?
They're trying to. They're trying to. Brett, 4 or 5, dude. We may have to just go and get it. I may fly up there, and we're gonna have to go get this burger challenge and just knock it out real quick. They got a burger that's a 4 or 5 pound challenge in Canada.
What? That's wild.
And you already know your boy can eat. You know what I'm saying? Like, who am I to not eat a 5 pound burger?
Yeah, they'll see you coming. They'll say, "I'm sorry, sir. It's not for you."
Oh, I got a funny story for you. So down here in Florida, there's a place called Gators Dockside. It's like a bar, not bar. It's a restaurant bar with great wings, everything like that. So me and a couple buddies went in there. Mind you, all my buddies are normally like bigger than me when I'm going out. I'm 6'2", 300. These men are like 6'5", 360. Like, I mean, massive men. We walk in there, and after our 6th or 7th round of just like knock him, they came and was like, "Hey, yeah, I think are you guys," like, the lady brought us the bill, like trying to kick us out type deal. Brought us the bill. Hey, here's the bill for whenever you're ready. It's like, wait, what? We're trying to get more. Why are you bringing us the bill?
They're like a bankrupt you. They're like, Duane's gonna take all the food out of the.
Oh man, but it was fun. Today's session, guys. Honestly, great session with you guys. Great vibe.
Here it goes.
Oh, there goes that bear flag. Oh, hold on.
Retest.
The bull stepped in on the Rincos. I was getting ready to say waterfall, but can't say that yet. Thomas, shot 6 contracts in. 6 contracts. Full tilt.
That makes me. Ooh, I can never do that many.
Okay, he said he can't do 6. I'm doing 10 right now. Let me up this.
BP, nothing under 15 for BP. It's just like all or nothing.
All right, BP, I'm ready. So tell me when I'm going in. This is called Russian roulette, people. It's either we're going to hit it or we're going to blow it. I think I got to. Well, I kind of got to.
I don't know. I think this consolidation might actually flip.
Well, let's see. I'm ready. I picked Apex. Well, with Apex, then, they do have the 1-day pass on Apex. You're going to just need to wait till later, like around like 5 o'clock, when they refresh their back office, and then you'll be able to activate it and trade the funded tomorrow. But great job, dude. Great freaking job, Woody.
Hey,
Love to see it.
You're in the last bearish FEG right now, but if it flips it, then you got to kind of hope on bearish order block if you go for it.
Listen, you tell me what to go for.
Oh man,
I'm listening to you. No pressure, Thomas. It's either we're gonna make it or we're gonna lose it. You know what I'm saying? It's different when no one can see your chart and how you trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is up to you. I'm 4 contracts deep right now. You tell me when to enter. Buy or sell.
I was gonna say
Wait, hold on. Sorry to
you
cut
would
that
have wanted
off.
to over the manipulation, but
On this account, I do have like $5,000 I could go in a drawdown, but we're trading 4 contracts. You know that's quick. So
yeah.
Hold on. I'm sorry to cut that off. Jump in on this. I heard 4 contracts. The other day I was like, how many contracts? You doing 4? He's like, no, we don't do this no more. We're going back to the basics.
no, that was G. That was G. that was never me, sir. I never said I'm not trading. Listen, I trade between 2 to 4 contracts. And right now I'm just waiting for.
I heard G. What y'all talking about?
You're souping us up to do 15 contracts.
I was getting ready to go 10 contracts deep with BP, but he said that's too much.
I'm trading 2 contracts.
So I pulled it back to 4.
Before I was trading 4. I was trading 4 contracts. Take out your own risk, fellas.
Oh, I'm waiting. Thomas is going to tell me when to enter. 10 contracts deep.
I feel like longs are in power right now, not shorts.
All right, he's saying longs are in power.
How much contracts you put?
35.
No, you didn't. Let me see.
Let me see. Like, see, I want to, like, I'm waiting. You know what I'm saying? Because Thomas said go long, right? And I trust his judgment. I'm just waiting for us to push to the yellow line on the 5-minute chart right there, boys. And I'm going long. Just because, like, this is not a funded account, by the way. I would never be doing this in a funded account. This is just because we're having fun, okay? We made $1,000. We locked it in. We come back tomorrow, do it all over again, okay? So don't shoot the messenger. This is not a funded account. I'm not that reckless, or am I?
Oh, you've been drinking that sparkling water.
You have too much sparkling water. It's going to the head right now.
So sparkling water, is that kind of like a Perrier kind of thing? Like,
yeah.
Is that the mouthfeel of it?
Yeah. It just has it's carbonated.
Yeah.
Because I don't drink soda. So I drink sparkling water.
I mean, soda's insane. It's like, I was looking at a can, it was like 160 calories and then like 800%, like, 140% of your sugar intake. I'm like, no, I'm good.
Like, I'm ready to go along with BP right now, but this market's not moving yet. I'm ready to jump all in.
You have that line on the 5-minute.
I do.
5 minutes.
Oh my goodness. You're putting too much pressure on me.
Listen, you want to know pressure, right? You want to know pressure?
BP, you're in the trade?
No, I'm not.
No. He's helping me get into a trade. 4 contracts deep.
Jump in now.
Yeah.
Gotta go up.
I'm just waiting to see the mo. That's it. I'm looking for the big mo to start moving. Yeah, Woody. Wait till like 5:30ish, or maybe even closer to 6. You'll receive an email from Apex saying congratulations on passing, and then you'll go in and you'll be able to activate your funded account. All right, we're breaking through that line just barely.
BP, come on, in the house.
Oh my goodness.
I'm in, boys. We're either going to make it or we're going to lose it. We're going to make it or we're going to lose it. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Building a plane. A little bit.
Uh-oh. BP, what's happening?
You got it on too much extension.
You told me to go long.
Well, yes, but this is a pullback right now.
What?
Hopefully it's.
You see, you can't trust your own people, gentlemen. That's what that means. You cannot trust your own people. Oh God. Oh God. We're pulling back. Oh God. Oh God.
What is it even looking like? It's too blurry.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Right now we're at $1,000 in drawdown.
Oh no.
I took BP's advice.
What?
He said go long.
Well, that was like, I don't even know what, like 2 minutes ago?
Bro, you said go long, so I'm trusted.
I know, but I was trying to look for a better entry point. We were in pretty high extension phase.
Oh boy. I'm starting to sweat, boys. I'm starting to sweat.
You might face drawdown all the way to 149 because that's.
Oh God, I'm in 4 contracts.
I was telling you, it's a lot.
Yo, this is awesome. This is awesome.
Oh.
Come on. G, I need you talking to the markets for us.
Somebody call their rich best friend.
Okay. We're starting to get better. We're starting to get better.
Yeah,
Woo.
here we go. Hopefully we get
Woo. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Push.
You might have to just get out at break even.
Listen, I may have to get out at $2,000. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, I'm getting ready to kill this one, BP. Oh God, BP set me up, boys.
No, I did not.
Full tilt. I'm holding. We're blowing or we're going. That's it.
No.
We're blowing or we're going.
It must be one of his old Apex accounts. That's why.
This is a 150K account with Tradeify.
Okay, sure. Okay.
We're almost
Well,
there.
It's
Otherwise,
doing it.
if we don't flip whenever we touch that 149, then yeah, I would maybe hop out.
BP set me up. He said I'm gonna make Duane lose on stream.
No,
Oh, he's throwing shade, man.
Full tilt mode. Full tilt, no stop. I'm having way too much doing this right now. I'm having way too much fun.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Get that
BP, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. My hands are sweating. This isn't even real money. And I'm sweating right now. Jesus. This is an eval. But I'm having too much fun. Like, to go full tilt on stream, that's amazing. Maybe next time I'll go in like 2 contracts. Then the drawdown wouldn't be as big. You know what I'm saying?
Plus, you would make me feel so much pressure. I was like, 4 contracts? Damn. That's like 4 times more than I usually aim for.
Listen, it's either we're making it or we're losing it. There's no in between here.
All right, well, hopefully we can just keep pushing up now.
From your lips to God's ears. From your lips to God's ears. We're sitting right on this 21 EMA on the 2-minute. We're sitting on this 21 EMA on the 2-minute. Come on, baby. Come on, we're getting so close. I know you want to go higher, market. Market makers, stop watching the stream. I'm not in a trade right now, market makers. I promise you, I'm not in a trade, market makers. Please, help your boy out.
Did you get out?
Dre, BP put me in a trade. He told me to go long. It's been nothing but short right now.
I told you to go long at like, look over here, maybe like 11?
I don't recall, but he said go long. Thank God I didn't go in at 10 contracts. This account would have been done already. Oh, I don't know. We gotta see. Are we gonna get some push up, please? Please, baby Jesus. Please, baby Jesus.
I'm looking at like where I would have traded this, and I would have gotten it at that 149. So I'm hoping that we can keep pushing to the high.
I'm looking just to get out. Please, yes, markets. Please. Oh, Nelly. Whew.
Where's that entry price that you're at?
I don't even know, dude. It's 191.75. 191.75 was the entry. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're about to see green. We're about to see green here. Come on, baby. Come on. You know you want to go higher.
You're interacting with that bearish order block, you need to flush it if you're gonna get break even and maybe a slightly TP, just a little bit above it. But
I'm sweating. I'm sweating, boys.
That ideal entry would have been that
All
one.
right, do I get out? I'm green right now. I am green. Or do we hold?
Oh man.
BP, hurry!
Oh well, then I would have. I would.
Oh my gosh, BP, what is this? Setting me up for failure, boys.
Stay in, stay in.
All right, everyone's saying stay in. Woo! Woo!
Oh, at least partial out, because I would have partialed here.
I can't do that on Ninja right now. I went full tilt in.
Take it. That's 600.
No, I'm gonna risk it. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Come on. Come on, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Take me to the VWAP. Give me the VWAP. Give me the VWAP. I need it. I need it.
It's gonna keep going up.
I need it. I want that VWAP. Full tilt, boys. Full tilt. No take profit. No stop loss. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're coming back down. Never. We never break even. We lose or we win. That is it.
Win it now. This is far extended.
Yeah, I would close.
Everyone's saying close. Okay. Woo. Steve, do I close?
I would close. You proved your point. You're
Hey,
on the
close it,
mountain
Duane.
there.
Close it. Just close
Okay, we close.
it. Close it. Take that profit.
But guess what? Guess what? We're gonna go to the VWAP. So I closed because of you, and now I gotta sit here and watch us just
Well, you
pump
could
to
always
this
get in- You
VWAP.
could always get in another trade with like a single contract, the less than your.
Yeah, get in a sim account.
I mean, like a quick 700. Quick.
Hell yeah.
Dre, I right there with you, but everyone voted. I got voted off the island. They said close. Whew. Oh, I can let my hair down now. Jesus, that was stressful. That was stressful.
I wanna show you the setup that I was trying to have you like get into, but like you got in at the top, and I was like, wait.
I was just messing around, dude. You know what I'm saying? But I knew what we were getting ready to do too.
It looks like it's gonna keep going up.
I know we're going to tap that VWAP and get rejected. So when we tap the VWAP, VWAP is currently sitting at right there, 234. 234 is the VWAP. I feel like we're going to tap it and reject. I could be wrong, but look at the profits I just lost, boys. Y'all told me to close.
Oh man, I was saying partial.
I can't partial. I was in full tilt. There's no partial. You can only get out partially if you have like your ATM strategy on. I just dove straight in.
Yeah, but you could re-enter the trade at any point. So give BP a break. This
No,
guy
I'm
right here-
listen, gentlemen. I am messing around. I am playing around. I'm having fun with you guys.
I made
BP knows I ain't at this. I'm not serious about any of this right now.
No, I know.
But that's going to be a fire clip right there. That's going to be a fire YouTube short. What do we do?
Play it safe.
Oh, that's awesome. So we did tap that VWAP. We pushed through it slightly. Dre, you were too slow in the chat, dude. I would have held, but everyone voted me off the island. I was like on Survivor. Everyone came with the little thing, put it on the fire. I was done. I was cooked.
I don't know about any damn TV show because I don't watch that stuff. But I'll tell you
That's
what, man.
when I was a kid. But man, look at that, boys. Look at that. We're sitting at this VWAP. Man, it's almost like I knew we would possibly go to the VWAP. Slightly. If this is getting clipped for the YouTube shorts, this is not financial advice. Do not do what I do in evals. That was a joke. Putting people under pressure. But look at all this profit we lost, boys. Jesus. That's craziness. We're above the VWAP. We're going to that 15-minute range right now. I would be like $10,000, $30,000 right now. 4 contracts deep.
When it be like that, sometimes when it be
I think
just
you'd be
like
at
that,
3K.
I'll just take
You'd be at
profit.
3K.
Look how much I got today.
Honestly, I don't even know.
Yeah, 1205.
Let's see here.
1205.
Because it's a
That's just
freshly
my SIM account. That's just
fresh eval too. You know what I'm saying? Fresh 150K eval with Tradeify.
Yeah, paper trades, yeah.
So that puts my account with the little trade I did put in it just over like $2,500 in that account.
Journal and everything. So pretty much, it's like it's a no-brainer.
So I need to put in like another 6K.
But the prop firms, bro, you pretty much they bread. You only paying like half of it. You pay like what, like 90 something.
Well, fellas, YouTube, I hope you've enjoyed this stream. We're coming up at 11:21 right now, so I'll probably be jumping off at 11:30. I gotta send some invoices, and then I gotta get to the gym before the crowd gets there. You know what I'm saying? Your boy trying.
I mean, we're practically all the way up into like Austin here, where BP lives. It's going so far north.
I know. It's either we're going to keep pushing, or right here, right above the VWAP, we're going to reject. So, because right now I do not like that candle. Just me. Thomas, thank you for the great trading advice today. You told me to go long. I was only drawdown to like $3,500. Nothing crazy. Crazy.
I was trying to get you a better entry though, but I did see us like going up.
I'm messing with you. I saw us going up too, because we had the close sitting right there. We also had the VWAP sitting above us. I'm like, we gotta go tap them. You know what I'm saying? They love being tapped.
Should I post the trade I was trying to like have you take?
Yeah, go ahead. Post it all. Guys, post whatever you guys want to post in the discussions. Post your wins, post your losses, post it all, because it's a central place for everyone to come and interact with each other. You know what I'm saying? So post everything. Your wins, your losses, whatever you're doing, having fun, doesn't matter. Just post. Want to get the interactions going more on the app, because we're growing, people. We're growing. Tonight, reminder for the YouTube stream, we have the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. It's not going to be as wild as this trading session today. It's going to be more chill, more laid back. We're going to be talking, answering questions, and just looking at the charts, seeing what the market's doing for the overnight session, since I don't trade it. It's so much easier to look at charts when you're not actually in the market. It's wildness.
Alrighty, I posted it.
All right, he posted it. Let me go see what he was trying to set me up. You know what I'm saying? I think he was trying to get me stopped out full tilt on my 150K. Okay. I see that. Hey, we made profit. That's all that matters, right? We made profit. We only sweated out everything I ate last night before we made profit. But we're good. We're good.
That's the game changer right there. That's what to do with all that.
At this point, I see us going back up to that 15-minute range. Since we did not reject on the VWAP, that 263 level, it's calling. It's calling collect right now, boys. What a time to be alive. I love it. Question for you guys, because streams ended in 6 minutes here, but I do have a question. How do you feel like the streams have been going lately? Are they getting better? Are they getting worse? Please tell me, because I want to make sure we're like perfect. You know what I'm saying?
As somebody that's been here since day one, I think it's wonderful, man. Energy. I like it's just like, you know, all the technical stuff is getting worked out. I know on your back end with some of the streams and like Twitch and all that, I'm not talking about that, but the core stuff, audio, visual, looking good. And then like Thomas, I mean, with his decades of trading, really brings something. So I mean, it's just like, and then of course, like the energy's great. So I love this thing.
Well, we'll take that. Thank you, Steve. Anybody else? You know,
like, shut up, Steve. Why are you always talking?
I'm not saying shut up, Steve, dude. I said thank you, Steve, because I love the feedback from you guys. Because at the end of the day, I'm trying to do this for like the rest of my life.
That's his chart. It's pretty much the same like mine.
So I'm trying to
Over here, and then, bro,
make sure everything's like dialed in,
alright.
and each week I'm trying to get better.
I'ma tell you, bro.
That's my whole goal for the streaming, for the trading. I just want to become better each and every week, across the
That's me
board.
too. You know what I mean? That's like all of us. You know, everybody that's in it to win it.
We don't even work no more, bro.
Man, that's it.
Bro. We don't even gotta make, bro. 5, 6, 7.
My man
You know what?
BP is in the house.
I'm honestly gonna count today as your wins with mine.
Bro. Exactly.
Well, there you go, sir. There you go.
The best thing is too, just you got
BP is currently up 20 days straight green.
Yeah.
20 days straight green. He almost made me have a red day in an eval.
Oh.
Almost. But we're green.
set up.
Don't mess with
Shot that entry too.
But I'm officially, what is that, 6 days completely green across all accounts that I traded. So I'll take that.
Hey, Duane, don't mess with Texas. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, not messing with Texas. I know we got the good old boys out there sometimes, so not messing out there. No, sir. Whatever you say, boss. Whatever you say, boss. You know what I'm saying?
Look how much rides I did.
Texas is the one place where there's more guns than people.
I don't know. I think Florida's pretty close as well.
Probably.
Yeah.
There's actually the math is like 3 to 5 guns per person that lives in Texas.
That's crazy.
Well, you know,
Well-
they did open it up where you could open carry out here, but it's like, to me, that's silly because why would you show your stance? You know what I mean?
It doesn't put you at a tactical advantage if they know you have a
Because
gun.
It draws attention, so. But see, are you? Hey, Duane, you ought to have a private conversation with
Yeah.
you know, BP over all these charts and stuff because you could probably make like something, double, triple dynamite.
Look at the other one.
Yeah. Yeah. No,
I mean, you
BP's
guys-
definitely going to show me all of his stuff.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I'll
You
be
want
like,
it on that
that's
for
like,
sure.
it's like 2 icons. Dare I say?
But it's cool for me, honestly, BP. I'm just messing with you. I love messing with everybody. You'll realize that over time here. I love joking with everybody. I do appreciate and respect what you've done in the markets already at your age, but which is amazing. Well ahead of many people at the end of the day.
Says that about me, though. That's
And
never
I
me.
do like that certain things that I'm seeing, even though I don't have it on the charts, my eyes are seeing it, and you're saying the same thing. So that gives me more confidence that I am going in the right direction.
Well, I would love to have like some of these things like how different people see the charts different. Maybe there could be like a teaching here, a teaching there, as long as it's like falling under our mission.
Yep.
Just because there are certain indicators and things and ways of doing things that can kind of open up ideas.
No, 100%. Like my big goal, because we're all family in the legacy here. My big goal is I want to have people all across the world, like literally around the globe, being like heads of those areas for the Legacy Wealth Society. So
Texas, you already have Texas, and you have Canada, and then
we got the Netherlands. You know what I'm saying? That's like I got my Canadian brother who's going to be crushing it when he's traded. You know, so we're definitely. I got massive plans for 2026. Massive plans for people in the community to actually be earning money from the community as well.
And
Like
you told me that I could just deliver your water since at my age that's all I could do. Apparently.
listen, if you can find me like some, mind you, they're not making it anymore. Crystal Springs water. You find that bad boy, 5-gallon jugs. I got you.
Are you sure they went out of business? It sounds kind of crazy.
Yeah, because they merged. They merged with Zephyr Hills.
Oh, so Zephyr Hills just bought it up? So
Yeah.
they're not even bottling that because maybe Zephyr Hills is bottling.
No, they're just bottling Zephyr Hills.
That's
So,
like a
ah.
monopoly right there.
Yeah.
Actually, did y'all hear about how Amazon got sued? It was like the FTC versus Amazon.
What?
Yeah, supposedly Amazon was secretly buying up a bunch of their competitors, and they kind of created a monopoly and was kind of controlling prices low key. So they got sued.
Well, that's just called good business at the end of the day. buying up your competition. I understand that one.
That stuff is all about scale, because it's like you do it and and it's like the government wakes up to it, then they're gonna shut it down.
Right? Yeah, I'm talking about in the States, brother. I know they don't sell my trash water up in Canada. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying?
Why are you saying trash water?
Well, because at the end of the day, they were coming in like plastic 5-gallon jugs. Where that's why I may get those Mountain Valley 5-gallon glass jugs and just pay the cost, pay the toll across the bridge. Since it is really good water, I love Mountain Valley spring water. So we'll see. We'll see. If you see me just drink my water like this, just know it's from a 5-gallon Mountain Valley glass jar. But I think that's all I got for you guys today. Definitely enjoyed the vibe, enjoyed the conversations.
Yeah.
I hope all you guys enjoyed as well. Tonight we do have the Traders Hangout, so if you're free, jump in the chat on YouTube. We're gonna have some fun tonight, just vibing up like usual. And other than that, if no one has any questions or concerns, I'm gonna let you guys go because I gotta act like I do run other businesses and send out some invoices. So
you get it done.
Well, all right, gentlemen, you guys have a great rest of your day.
You take care, man.
All right, guys, have a good one.
Have a good day, y'all.
All right, Jose, G, Moose, Dave.
I'll stick
Appreciate
around
you,
for a
boys.
little bit if anybody wants to
MVP.
chill.
All right, Dwayne.
Do you guys want me to end the whole thing, or you want me to leave someone in charge and you guys can still talk if you guys want to still talk?
Yeah, keep me out, y'all. I can put it to me.
All right, send it to you, G. Have a good day, guys.
All right, you take care, man.
Yes, sir.
Solid.
All right, well, they're still in that chat. I'm done. YouTube, appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day as well. Stay safe in the markets. And I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed, everyone.